I'm Shay from Ourhandsourhomestead, and Bobby is over there getting the hay ready so we can tie it down so it don't move on our way home. I just want to let y'all know we are in the rain again, getting some round bales, as you can see, strapping it down so it doesn't move. It's cold also and raining, so we about to get this done and get back in the truck.
And get back in the food.
Yep. This is some cold.
Hold it. Make sure you
Oh.
gotta do it like I did the last time, make it long ways.
What?
Stuff right here.
Hey y'all, so I had to come get back in the truck because it started raining a little bit harder, and it is 45 degrees out here. We just had this cold front come in out of nowhere. Y'all remember it was hot. We've been in the 80s for like the past couple of days, and all of a sudden the cold front came through. It was cold yesterday, it's cold today, and it's supposed to be like 70 something degrees tomorrow, which I can't wait because I hate the cold. But let me show y'all. So I'll be glad when it warm up. When we leave here, we're gonna go to the house, drop off the round bales, because we don't know how much rain we're gonna get. It wasn't even supposed to rain today, and look at it. So y'all y'all know we don't need rain down here. I mean, we need it, but we don't want it to flood. You know what I'm saying? So once we leave here, we're gonna go drop off the round bales, and then we're gonna run to our favorite store, Home Depot, of course, because we gotta get some more wood, y'all. So we measured we measured the back part or the side part of my garden, and the garden post, like one post is like a little bit more than 8 foot, so we're gonna have to get 3 10-foot 2x4 by 10-foot posts. So y'all continue to come on with us, and we'll see y'all in a bit.
Stop understanding.
You cold?
Yeah, look.
I don't want you to, yeah.
Man. Look, I did have my little seat on 60.
Yeah, I turned mine up. No. Ah. No. Yeah, do. Alright, y'all. So we are back at the old mighty fine Home Depot. We need to get 3 of the 2x4 by 92 inch. And then we need to get 3 of the 2x4 by 10 feet. And I think they might be on this side. 2x6, 2x6. I think that's 2x4 by 12. 2x3. It's for the side. Right there where the porta potty is. Hey y'all, welcome back to Our Hands, Our Homestead. I am Shay. We got
D.
And we got
Bobby.
we out here trying to clear up a lot of this clutter we got just sitting around my little she shed. As you can see, the grass has overgrown because we had got a lot of rain. I'm about to show y'all the grass. We're about to try to start cutting it because we do know sunflowers grow in that area that I just showed you, and they get huge. And we try not to have that happen this year, so we're trying to get on top of it. I know we usually work in the garden, but we had to take a break from the garden to get this grass manageable because, baby, when it starts growing, it grows really, really fast. So we want to keep it down so none of us walk up on any snakes or whatever else is out here. So come on with us while we get to work. When you finish, you can let her go. All right, y'all. It's getting dark on us out here. I went in and raked my garden. The plastic, I don't know if y'all can see, the plastic is coming up. So we gotta do something with that. We'll figure that out. But these 2 beds are good to go. I think I'm gonna get a few more bags of dirt to go on these. I don't wanna go in with my hands and get any of this stuff out right now, so I'm gonna wait till probably tomorrow and come in here and do some of this, because I seen a scorpion in one of the boxes, so I don't want to get stung by anything. So I'm gonna wait till we get some sunlight and come out here and finish pulling some of the weeds and stuff out of the rest of the beds. All right, y'all, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the boards right now for the back, the side part of the garden. We're gonna get them all cut, that way we can just start screwing them on and get them kind of knocked out. Well, get them knocked out, not kinda. And that way we don't have to stop, cut, put up. Stop, cut, put up. So we're just gonna continue to cut all of them and put them all up. He wanted me to say so. Come on with us.
Yeah.
Where your head at?
Look, I was trying to figure out why I had 4 screws.
Oh.
I think I went to Deer Valley too.
I think you went to the J, like you said.
That was a Deer Valley moment right there.
Lexi, Lex.
top too, last time? Make sure the little chip, oh, the chip good.
So I didn't pull the board all the way down to the end to leave us some room on that next board. So we unscrewed it and we're gonna screw it back in. Alright y'all, so we just put these boards up, and the reason y'all see me in a dress today is because my leg has been hurting and I feel like I've gotten bigger overnight, so I didn't really feel like putting the proper attire on, so we're gonna make do with what we got on and get this work done. So come on with us while we finish this fence.
Can y'all hug like y'all love each other?
Oh, you said it? Put it down! Y'all saw that picture yet? No.
Babe. So do you want to use Aegis to clip it? Will it be close?
All right, y'all. So what we're doing now is raising these backboards up because y'all know in the last video we went ahead and moved those up in the front because our property drops down. So we just gonna make it look nice. You know, even though the spacing is kind of off, but it looks nice, period, all the way around. So let's get back to getting the garden ready.
Like we can layer it from them poles. All the way around.
All right, y'all. We have officially finished all the poles and the boards on the garden. Everything is looking wonderful, y'all. My beds are looking good. Well, the 2 beds that we done so far are looking good. And we'll finish the rest of the beds tomorrow. But everything is just looking great.
Yeah, that way I can just come in and clean it out. Where you gonna cut his dog? He cutting the grass with black pepper. So that's why I said I'm